Are you looking for the best aerial photography drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best aerial photography drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. DJI Mavic 3 Classic, professional-grade aerial photography made simple. For a 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad has customized the L2D20C aerial camera for the Mavic 3 series, integrating a professional-grade 4 of 3 CMOS sensor into a compact design for stunning image quality. FAA Remote ID compliant, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic meets FAA Remote ID regulations. Check the compliance document below for guidance, and visit the FAA's website for registration and remote ID requirements. 46-minute max flight time. Fly longer with up to 46 minutes of flight time and 40 minutes of hovering, using Mavic 3 series batteries. Capture more content with fewer interruptions. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Equipped with APS 5.0, the Mavic 3 Classic detects objects from all directions, ensuring smooth and safe flights with advanced obstacle avoidance. 15 km HD video transmission. Enjoy stable, high-quality footage with a maximum transmission range of 15 km, 9.3 miles, and a crystal clear 1080p/60 fps live feed. Advanced Return to Home, RTH, the Mavic 3 Classic automatically calculates and executes an optimized route back to its home point, giving pilots peace of mind. Waypoint Flight Function, pre-program precise aerial routes and let the Mavic 3 Classic automatically fly and repeat those paths for consistent shots. Enhanced firmware features, the new Vision Assist offers real-time visual assistance from 4 directions for safer flights. AR Return to Home overlays the drone's trajectory for improved monitoring and navigation. Complete flight package, the Mavic 3 Classic includes the DJI RCN1 remote controller and all necessary accessories, making it easy to pack light and take your creativity anywhere. Number 2. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro. Autel EVO 2 Pro V3, the ultimate 6K drone for professionals. 100% original and dual after-sales guarantee. As an authorized Autel distributor, we provide 100% original Autel EVO 2 Pro V3 drones directly from the factory. Enjoy dual after-sales support, Autel Stores service plus US-based local warranty for a hassle-free experience. 2025 newest EVO 2 Pro 6K V3 drone with Sony sensor. The Autel EVO 2 Pro V3 boasts enhanced transmission stability, improved dynamic range, noise reduction, and higher frame rates. Featuring Sony's latest 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 6K video. With an adjustable f2.8 f11 aperture and ISO up to 44,000, it's the perfect choice for cinematographers and mapping professionals. 12-bit A-Log for pro-grade post-production and dynamic tracking 2.0. 12-bit color recording delivers 68.6 billion colors, offering 64x more detail than 10-bit V2 model. Advanced tracking predicts object movement and simultaneously identifies up to 64 targets, making it ideal for dynamic aerial shots. 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Equipped with 12 vision sensors, 2 sonar sensors, and LED landing lights, the EVO 2 Pro V3 ensures unmatched flight safety by avoiding obstacles in all directions. No geofencing, fly without restrictions. No geofencing restrictions mean you're in control. However, stay informed about local flight regulations to ensure legal operation. 40-minute max flight time plus extra battery. 7,100 mAh rechargeable battery for up to 40 minutes of flight, 35 minutes hover. Unique battery lock system prevents ejection during high-speed maneuvers. Bundle includes an extra battery for extended flight sessions. Complete EVO 2 Pro V3 combo includes Heavy Checkmark EVO 2 Pro V3 drone, with battery, propellers, gimbal holder, 32GB SD card. Heavy Checkmark Smart Controller SA, $759 value, 6.4-inch OLED touchscreen and 8-core processor. Heavy Checkmark Extra battery plus extra propellers. Heavy Checkmark Spare control sticks. Heavy Checkmark Hard plastic carrying case. Heavy Checkmark 12-month warranty plus 30-day replacement or full refund guarantee. Fail-safe and one-touch return home. The EVO 2 Pro automatically returns home if the battery is low or the signal is lost, ensuring a safe landing even in unpredictable weather. Autel Skylink 2.0 to 9-mile transmission range. Expanded range from 5.5 miles to 9 miles, 15 kilometers. Supports tri-band communication, 2.4 GHz/5.8 GHz/900 MHz, with auto frequency hopping for anti-interference performance. Aerial cinematography, mapping, or high-performance drone flying, Autel EVO 2 Pro V3 is the ultimate choice. Have questions? Contact Autel Store online at Outlook.com for support. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. Up your game with the Mavic Air 2 drone. The Mavic Air 2 elevates your aerial photography to new heights. Combining powerful camera capabilities with intelligent shooting modes, it offers stunning results that push your creativity to its limits. Aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content creation. Capture 48MP photos with the 1/2" CMOS sensor, and record 4K per 60 frames per second video with the stability of the 3-axis gimbal. Thanks to the quad Bayer image sensor, HDR video is rich with vibrant color and contrast. Enjoy OcuSync 2.0 for video transmission up to 6.2 miles 10 kilometers, delivering 1080p FHD livestreams directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight performance. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you have plenty of time to capture epic shots. The 3-directional obstacle sensing ensures safe navigation, making it ideal for beginners and more advanced pilots alike. Intelligent tracking features. The Mavic Air 2 features smart shooting functions that simplify your aerial photography experience. Spotlight 2.0 locks the camera onto your subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps moving subjects perfectly centered in your shot. POI 3.0 tracks subjects such as people and vehicles with precision. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app works with iOS 10.0 Plus and Android 6.0 Plus. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, XS, 8 Plus, 7, etc. iPad, Pro, Air 2, Mini 4, etc. Samsung Galaxy, S20, S10 Plus, S9 Plus, etc. Huawei, OnePlus, Pixel, LG, Sony, and more. What's in the box? Mavic Air 2 aircraft. Remote controller. Intelligent flight battery. 3x low noise propellers, pair. RC cables, USB-C, Lightning, micro USB. Control stick and gimbal protector. Battery charger, power cable and Type-C cable. Manuals. Video capture resolution. 4K HD video. Operating temperature, 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Carefree creation with DJI Mini 3 Pro. Weighing in at just 249 g, the DJI Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions, making it a breeze to take on any adventure. Its foldable, compact design ensures portability, so you can bring it anywhere and capture the perfect shot, no matter where you go. FAA Remote ID compliant. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is fully compliant with the FAA Remote ID rule, keeping you within regulations. Check the compliance document for details on drone registration and remote ID requirements via the FAA's website. Perfect portraits at the tap of a button. With the redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro, get flawless true vertical shooting for portrait photos perfect for your social media feed. The 90 degrees rotating gimbal lets you capture stunning vertical shots without sacrificing image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time and explore more of your surroundings. Want to go even further? Upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, for up to 47 minutes of uninterrupted aerial adventure. Fly with confidence. The Mini 3 Pro comes equipped with tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, providing unrivaled safety during your flight and offering peace of mind, especially for beginners. Create and share on the go. Packed with a range of intelligent features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro makes it easy to create and share content on the move. Focus track. True vertical shooting. Master shots. Time-lapse. Quick transfer, and more. Lightweight and versatile control. Included with the DJI RCN1 remote controller, you'll enjoy a lightweight control experience that enhances your creative freedom. Immersive flight experience. For a truly immersive experience, pair your drone with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, or the RC Motion 2 controller. Enjoy real-time camera transmission and effortless control, taking your flight experience to exhilarating new heights with FPV. Number 5. DJI Inspire 2. Efficient workflow with DJI Mini 3 Pro. Designed to enhance your creative workflow, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers streamlined features to make every flight smoother and more efficient. Whether you're capturing footage for a project or just exploring, this drone helps you get the job done quickly and effectively. Sense and avoid obstacles. Equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology, the Mini 3 Pro offers a range of 0 to 16.4 feet, 0 to 5 m, for precise detection and avoidance. This makes flying safer and more intuitive, even in complex environments. Spotlight Pro and compatibility with 5.2K gimbal cameras. The Spotlight Pro feature helps you track moving subjects while the camera stays focused, giving you perfect shots every time. Additionally, it's compatible with 5.2K gimbal cameras, allowing for ultra-high-definition video capture that delivers cinematic results. Intelligent flight modes.
With smart return-to-home functionality and several intuitive flight modes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro automatically handles complex maneuvers, ensuring a smooth flight experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, this drone adapts to your needs. Operating temperature range. Built to withstand various weather conditions, the DJI Mini 3 Pro operates efficiently in a wide temperature range, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, making it reliable for use in different climates and environments.